Sometimes as an artist, you just need to know it's time to stop because it goes from being really great to a hot mess very quickly. Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Having a little bubbly water. Okay, so what do you do with all these cans? You can recycle them, but also you can make really cool art with it. Look at this funny cat I made. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So your first step is going to be to get a canvas. I guess they don't have to go in this particular order, but I'm going to start with a canvas. You could also use a piece of cardboard if you don't have a canvas, but we had one. So I just painted it because I'm imagining that the focal point is in the middle. So I painted this one kind of a fun color. So now, and then you're going to have to let it dry. So I did that before I got here with you while I was sipping my soda. My bubbly water. Okay, now is kind of the fun part. I'm going to smoosh the can. So hang on a second. I'm going to put it with this side right here facing down, and then I'm going to use my heel and I'm going to smoosh it. So here I go. This one's like a tiny one. This guy, look at this guy.
Oh, you just smushed him differently.
I smushed him differently. All right, I'm going to try one more just for fun. All right, here we go. Ooh. Okay, so each one is its own interesting, funny little smushed can. So after you've done that, you're gonna paint your can. Miss Kate and I spray painted these. We have some different colors you can see. You can see you wanna be careful if you're doing this at home that there can be some sharp edges. So make sure if you're working with these, you still use it, but just be extra careful. All right, so here we have, I'm gonna use, oh, I like that pink. All right, I'm gonna use pink. Voila, my painted canvas. Now I'm going to, this one I'm gonna make a face, and I'm imagining this is the mouth. So I'm gonna get my glue gun, and I'm gonna just glue it up. Hot glue. Do you think you could use other glue?
Oh yeah, it's just the glue gun is faster.
We love hot glue because it's fast, but it's also hot.
And people get burnt.
Yeah, ouch. Don't get burnt.
Could you put a little glue on the sharp part so you wouldn't hurt yourself?
Oh, you could. Miss Kate is so smart. Sort of keep the edges straight. Or just, don't be foolish and touch the sharp part. There you have it. It's glued on. Kind of cool, right? Okay, then, as you know, people give us stuff all the time. One of our last donations was Puffy Paint. So, and now I'm gonna make a funny face. Oh, look at that. That is really funny.
Could you show it so we can all see it?
Well, yes.
Oh, he's very cute.
Is that funny? Okay, yeah. And then I think, should he have some teeth or should I? Sometimes as an artist, you just need to know it's time to stop because it goes from being really great to a hot mess very quickly. Now with the puffy paint, it's kind of fun. You see on my other one, I can give some purple hair. Oh my gosh, I love that. And then I'm going to sort of embellish my canvas. Oh, I love that. It's like, oh! Okay. Sorry, Miss Kate.
No, it's okay. I was going to see where you're going to put this in your house.
Oh, I think I might leave it here in the studio.
Oh, okay.
It feels more in line with studio art. So this is a way to maybe save one can from the landfill, maybe make funny. Somebody smile, or you could do a cat. The cat is kind of funny too. A couple of different options, or maybe you could come up with your own option.
And maybe you could send a picture of it to us.
Yeah, please. Like. No one ever sends us a picture of anything. Could you be our first person to send us a picture? We would love that. All right, well, thank you for joining us, turning trash into treasures. Thanks. Bye, friends.
See you soon.